Hi guys, story time. So, before I gave birth, I thought yani maisha yangu na mtoto wangu ingekuwa the best. Like we would have all the best moments. Like she would never get out of my armpits. She would never get out of my hands. The decisions I would make for myself, she would agree. That is what I thought about the kind of a mother I'll become. Yeah. So I prayed about my daughter. I told God the kind of a child I want, the kind of a girl I want, how the girl would look, how the girl would respond. God did not fail me there. Alinipea exactly what I had prayed for. Shock on my life. Sasa I had visualized our journeys together, like ile travels, vacations. Sasa come last year August, I am prepared for a Kisumu travel. Nikafanya kila kitu, so I wanted to surprise Kamaidora. Wadau nikiwaambia I was surprised by her. Mimi karibu anitoe roho. So I come with my ulabalo, mapambo yangu, and I tell her, Mama, we are going to Kisumu. Hey, she looks at me like, did you consult me? Then she pauses and breathes out and tells me, Mom, what did I tell you last time when you organized the trip to Mombasa? I told you that if you want me to accompany you to any place, first consult me. Pia mimi niko na life yangu. I have my own schedules. I have my plans. So kindly consult me before you plan those trips, those vacations, those beautiful things for us, for me and you. Ni consult. Unajua wewe ndio unataka tuende Kisumu, lakini mimi sitaki Kisumu. Hey. Guys, I felt like crying. So I asked her, Sasa what are we going to do? Akaniambia, mom, you will do nothing. We tafuta mtu mwende naye Kisumu, oga uende Kisumu, ama utafute mtu mwende naye Kisumu, or all the same cancel the Kisumu thing. Guys, I cancelled the Kisumu thing. And I've learned to be consulting her. Mimi sahi hata nikitaka kwenda soko, namconsult, what am I buying for you? Because sijui kama nimenyenyekea, sijui kama ni motherhood imenikalia. I really don't know, but to be honest, sijui what to say about it, sijui what to make of it. The life that I had envisioned, Nuna ile vision nilikuwa nayo, photos of us Indiani tukiwa na hizo bikinis. Photos of us with briefcase tukishuka kutoka kwa ndege huko Kisumu. Guys, I'm being served hot pepper. This girl of mine would rather be left at home, sleeping and doing nothing and eating, other than like accompany a mother to those unscheduled things that a mother did not consult her about. Guys, what is your experience? Are you going through what I am going through? Ama ni mimi tu niko na shida zangu? It is hard on my side. Guys, share your stories about your children and what you're feeling so far about them and about motherhood. Mine is 6 years old. What is your thing about it? Bye.